And we're underway with what will undoubtedly be an incredibly destructive Elimination Chamber match.
How they got this gigantic structure in this arena is beyond me, guys.
That's right, and this Phoenix crowd couldn't be any more excited for this one.
Take a moment to discuss Roman Reigns. It'll be interesting to see how he plans to get it done. What do you think?
He must remember that in the Elimination Chamber, you have to be ready to defend against all kinds of assaults from all kinds of angles. That's what he signed up for in this one. Roman Reigns has been told his whole life he can't do this. He can't.
Listen to this crowd. Count the next one in.
It's AJ Styles.
Nice job by Brock Lesnar there.
We may have discovered his favorite move.
Got all of that one.
Nice job by Brock Lesnar there.
Nothing gentle about that landing.
Roman Reigns will continue to fight no matter what the odds, no matter what the environment. Everyone knows what the leader of the Roman Empire is capable of inside the ring.
The word fear is not in Roman Reigns' vocabulary. The power, the agility, and the determination of the big dog means when he's in a match, it's only a matter of time before he assumes control.
Who's going to enter next?
You can't put a price tag on landing that perfect strike. And that nailed him. Look at Roman Reigns here. And help has arrived here from Randy Orton.
Down with authority.
Now it's difficult to get up from a fall like that, let alone continue competing in a match.
I'm not so sure the body's supposed to.
Superman punch is heating up now.
There's almost no rebounding from a strike like that. Saxton, I like you. I want to take you on an all-expenses-paid vacation to Suplex City.
Oh, no, I'll pass. Get ready.
No, he kicks out at 2 and
Suplex City. This could be the turning point, Cole. Jeez, I felt that one over here.
Might have slipped there, Cole.
That's Goldberg.
Just making his presence felt there.
An absolutely perfect belly to belly. He gets it with a reversal. Doesn't show any signs of getting up here, guys.
No, he's taking one heck of a beating, Michael. Oh boy, he is rolling.
He clearly did his homework.
Superman punch. Good night.
What's he gonna do now?
Oh, God, that was hitting the nail right on the head. If he takes many more of those, he's going to get lit up like a Christmas tree. Drop the bomb on me. A power bomb, that is.
Made him pay there.
Oh, Roman Reigns saw that one coming.
Counting it down, who is it gonna be?
Roman Reigns gathering attention in a hurry. It's Dean Ambrose. What a spear!
This match might be over, guys.
We got to cover.
And there's a big-time elimination.
Goldberg doing a great job of turning that around.
Eliminated.
Nicely timed shot by Dean Ambrose. Attacking with the knee, which is never pretty.
Styles has him up. He's in complete control now. Hey, what goes up must come down.
Slammed right down on his back and neck.
He's simply reminding him that he's here. Oh, Roman Reigns unable to be contained. Great offense by AJ Styles. Looks like he's starting to sweat now. To be expected when you combine 6 of WWE's most volatile forces into one match.
And I can't help but wonder if he's now regretting his decision to compete inside this massive and unforgiving structure.
Wow, he escapes it.
He's just got no quit in him here tonight, Cole.
AJ Styles with a nice reversal. Take cover. You could call this a good old-fashioned butt whooping.
Winds up and lands the overhand punch. Not where he wants to be right now.
Yeah, you're not going to win many matches when you're down. The great ones always explode when they have the chance.
He's in a tough spot here, Corey.
And if he doesn't get up, it's going to get a lot tougher.
Just making his presence felt there.
Showing very few signs of life here.
Yeah, there's no way he comes back from this. Might as well ring the bell now.
Wow, can't believe Dean Ambrose got out of that one. When this guy's on, look out.
He is a one-man gang in there.
Oh, the reversal by AJ.
Superman punch!
There is no toppling the Roman Empire.
Cover here.
Wow, missed by a mile.
Had that one well scouted.
Spear!
That was vicious. There is no...
He thinks he has it.
This could be the beginning of the end.
Goldberg jackhammer! That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of a match.
He's looking for the win. Oh, the reversal by Brock Lesnar.
This might be the end of the road for him, Byron.
Well, if he can't get back to his feet, you're absolutely right.
With an F5. Bang!
We may be looking at our winner here, guys. The great ones always explode when they have the chance.
What an assault on Roman Reigns.
This is Brock Lesnar's.
This should do it right there.
Not so fast.
Styles F5.
Oh, my.
If that doesn't end it, I don't know what will.
He might just be out, guys.
I agree. He hasn't moved.
And that's elimination right there, guys.
With an exclamation point, no less.
Been eliminated.
He's taking a long time to get up, guys.
Perhaps playing a little possum here, Cole.
Brock Lesnar is really going to work in there.
Going to be tough for him to fight back from this.
Well, the first thing he needs to do is get back to his feet, which is clearly easier said than done.
Styles looking to end this thing. Styles clash.
Can he finish him?
Can he score the pin?
I think AJ Styles is done playing.
You know, when you take direct hits like that, it becomes hard to move. If you can't move, you can't win.
Still trying to get back to his feet here.
He's clearly in a bad way right now.
Corey, tell me, just how much strength is carrying your opponent around like this take?
Let's put it this way, Cole. Saxton would never be able to do it.
He's delivering it. Oh,
Styles clash.
Styles can finish.
There's the elimination, Byron.
That was amazing.
Roman Reigns has been eliminated.
with the F5. Bang!
Lesnar back in firm control of this match.
It's clothesline after clothesline. The frequency of this move is becoming deliberate at this point, to say the least. Another slam here.
Brock is definitely enjoying himself right here.
This could be it for him, guys.
Yeah, he's on Dream Street.
He's still not moving, guys.
He might be out, Cole.
Few superstars are as dominant as this guy. Goldberg with a spear!
Warm up the bus. This one is over.
Will this be it? Goldberg setting him up. Here it comes, Byron.
We're gonna see it! We're gonna see it! We're gonna see the down with the jackhammer. Just when you thought
he could pin his opponent right here.
He's not getting up.
You can't like his chances right now.
Nice job breaking out of that one.
But there's plenty more work for him to do here.
Oh, and he's still down, Byron.
things definitely aren't looking very good for him right now.
The great ones always explode when they have the chance.
Brock Lesnar with a nice reversal.
He doesn't appear to be in a hurry to get up here.
I just don't think he has it in him anymore.
German after German by Brock.
Lesnar back in firm control of this match. You're going to want to see your internist after a slam like that.
Showing very few signs of...
Could be timeout time. Kimura lock is in.
That should do it.
Momentum is fully in the corner of Brock Lesnar now.
And he fights his way free.
He's got to be working on instinct right now, Cole.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Going to be tough for him to fight back from this.
Well, the first thing he needs to do is get back to...
Goldberg with a spear!
That might have done it, Cole.
He's going for the pin. This could be it.
He's playing with him now.
Brock Lesnar seems to relish this. Jackhammer!
Just the shoulders down. There's the elimination, Byron.
That was amazing.
AJ Styles has been eliminated.
Brace for impact. Here it comes. The Beast Incarnate with an F5.
Oh, my.
Wow, what a gritty performance.
What a nail biter as he stands victorious in this Elimination Chamber match.
Here is your winner, Brock Lesnar.
The referee's 3 count ends this one. And there's your winner, folks.
To get the pinfall victory over such a high-quality opponent is incredibly impressive, Michael.
Amazing match, guys. Before we move on, I'd like to remind everybody that we're coming to you live from Phoenix, the site of WrestleMania 26.
स्कूल के बस्ते पे